Visualization's dead ass work.
Mental training and visualization can be effective.
Visualization it's a huge factor in improving technical skills.
How does visualization help with that?
It is everything for me.
Visualization, the process of forming visual mental images in our heads. It is a very powerful practice and has the potential to totally change your life if used correctly. Whether we consciously realize it or not, we all practice visualization every day. जब भी हम हमारे वो एग्जाम के बारे में सोचते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि शायद हम पास नहीं कर पाएंगे, या जब भी हम हमारे वो गोल के बारे में सोचते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि शायद हम अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम और कुछ नहीं पर विजुलाइज कर रहे हैं. We are visualizing all of these things, which eventually becomes our reality. Picture yourself vividly as defeated and that alone will make victory impossible. Whereas picture yourself vividly as winning and that alone will contribute immeasurably to success. Consciously या subconsciously हम सब हमारे imaginations को use करते हैं. या तो हम हमारे imaginations को constructively use कर सकते हैं या destructively. A lot of people don't put conscious efforts to visualize their goals, which eventually leads them to visualize and imagine the wrong goals and the wrong things. For example, if you often see yourself failing to achieve your goals, you're using your imaginations against you and you're more likely to fail at your goals. At the same time, instead you see yourself achieving your goals, you're more likely to achieve them because you're using your imaginations in your favor this time. The key is becoming aware of which way you are using your imaginations and improving on it daily. I've recently come to this realization that your expected outcomes are always influenced by the beliefs you have about yourself. इसका मतलब है कि आप अपनी लाइफ से और अपने गोल से जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखते हो वो ये फैक्टर से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है कि आपके अपने बारे में क्या बिलीव्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप अपने आप को एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट की तरह देखते हो जो अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर नहीं कर सकता है, तो यू वुड नेवर बी एबल टू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स. और इफ यू सी योरसेल्फ एज द पर्सन हु कांट स्टिक टू अ गुड डाइट, you would fail every single time you try. And why is it like that? Because the human mind always acts and feels and performs in accordance with what he imagines to be true about himself and his environment. This is a basic and fundamental law of mind and it is the way we are built. Basically कहने का मतलब है कि जो भी आप विजुलाइज करोगे, जो भी आप इमेजिन करोगे, वो आपकी रियलिटी को एक ऐसे लेवल तक इन्फ्लुएंस करने की ताकत रखता है जिस पे आप यकीन भी नहीं कर सकते.
So if you're going to play an overseas tour, say to Australia or England or something like that, I literally sat down 2-3 months before and I've made a decision in my head that I'm going to take their best bowler on. And when I train in the gym, when I'm practicing, regularly there are visuals running in my head, me dominating that bowler. When I train, I have music on, I'm putting myself in a situation where that guy is bringing the heat onto me and I'm countering that, and that becomes such a reality in your head. And invariably when I went into that situation, I ended up dominating that guy in their own home conditions.
Visualization, as mentioned earlier, is a very powerful practice and it can be used to change the beliefs you have about yourself as well as achieving any goal that you have, no matter what it is. So how do you visualize correctly? आप दिन में 5 से 20 मिनट हर दिन अपने लिए रखो, जो भी टाइम पे आप सबसे ज्यादा अकेले और अनडिस्टर्ब्ड रह सकते हो. Sit somewhere comfortable, close your eyes and start exercising your imagination. मैं पर्सनली मेरे विजुअलाइजेशन प्रैक्टिस को 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करता हूँ and it is character visualization and goal visualization. Start by imagining yourself as the person you want to be. आप वो सब कुछ imagine करो जो आपका ये वर्जन करेगा from the time he wakes up till the time he goes to bed. It is very important कि आप अपने imaginations को as vivid and as detailed as possible रखो. आप अपने character visualization में सब कुछ include करो, from the work that this version of you would do, वो कितने घंटे काम करेगा, the daily routine of this person, the people this version of you would be around, his character, his confidence, his beliefs about himself and his personality. Also, the most important part of this visualization practice is आप जो भी visualization कर रहे हो, आप जो भी काम अपने आप को करता हुआ देख रहे हो, may it be playing a sport or working on your business, you need to combine visualization with real world behaviors and experiences. तो जो भी आप visualize कर रहे हो, जो भी काम आप अपने आप को करते हुए visualize कर रहे हो, वो काफी हद तक similar होना चाहिए वो काम से जो आप actually real world में कर रहे हो. Give about 5 to 10 minutes to this character visualization and once done with it, you can move on to the next part. Goal visualization. In this part of visualization, you basically imagine yourself achieving the small and large goals that you want to achieve. For example, मेरे लिए अभी वो 1000 subscribers है. I'm at around 350 right now. मुझे 1000 subscribers achieve करना है. That is a small milestone for me. And मैं रोज अपने आप को वो achieve करते हुए देखता हूँ. 900 subscribers, 950 subscribers, then 1000 subscribers. ये मैं रोज अपने आप में एक mental picture play करता हूँ. जैसे मैं एक मूवी देख रहा हूँ. ये मैं imagine करता हूँ कि मैं कैसे react करूँगा, मैं क्या करूँगा और मुझे कैसा feel होगा. वो मैं सब कुछ feel करता हूँ. You need to be as detailed and as vivid as possible अपने visualizations के time. For you, it can be scoring 90% in your exams, nailing that job interview, achieving 10k followers on social media, or even publishing your new book. The exercise of visualization builds new image of self. आपको visualization को ज़्यादा complicate करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. It's a very simple process. You just need to sit at a single place. आपको अपनी आंखें बंद करनी है and just for 5 to 20 minutes आपको imagination करना है. आपको अपने दिमाग में एक mental picture, एक mental movie देखनी है. वो सब करते हुए जो आप करना चाहते हो और वो सब goals को achieve करते हो जो आप achieve करना चाहते हो, and it will work like magic. After practicing it for a period of time, you will be surprised to find yourself acting differently, more or less automatically and spontaneously, without even trying. And eventually, आपके जो visualizations and your imaginations become your reality. So that is it for this one. If you want to know more about visualization and achieving your goals, I would highly recommend reading Psycho-Cybernetics. And I'm ending this one here.
If you can see it here, and you have the courage enough to speak it, it will happen.